Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to draw a request that somebody requested. It is going to be a cat in a box. So I think this is going to end up being really, really cute. Don't forget, if there's anything that you would like to see me draw or you would like to learn how to draw, write it down in the comments below. I love getting requests from you folks. And also feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that great stuff. It really helps the channel. Okay, so a cat in a box. Okay, I'm gonna start with the cat's eyes. Will I do it this way? Nah, I'll do it this way. I'll start with the cat's eyes. So they're gonna be two great big, like, lemon shapes. So one like that, and then give a little bit of room, and then another great big lemony shape. Like that. And now on the inside, I'm going to do like a little circle. Actually, these kind of look like little ovals. Doesn't matter. And now I'm going to do a line like that, coming down so it's like beneath that little oval circle we just made, and do the same for the other one. All right, and now I'm going to do a little nose. So it's kind of long, and it comes to a point there, like that. And now we're going to give him a cute little mouth. Like that. And I'm going to give like a little line like this to show like a little bottom of his mouth. And now we're going to do the top of his head. Just a little round top part. And one ear on this side. And one ear over on this side. Okay, so now on the sides of his face, he needs all kinds of fluffy, furry bits. So I'm just making all kinds of little strokes and bits of fur. So some are longer than the others or thicker than the others. And he also needs whiskers. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 big whiskers on each side of his face. Alrighty, now I'm going to work on the box. So I'm going to do a line like this, kind of slanting downward. And now this is slanting this way. These are going to be like the flaps on the box. The box is open, obviously, and the cat is inside. And then a line like that. Okay, so that's one flap. And now I'm going to go upward. Like that. And slant this flap downwards a little bit. Do the same on the other side. And then come on up. And now I'm gonna do a little bit more on this cat, a little bit more fluffy bits, and draw a little line here until it reaches the end of that, or the part of the flap there. And now give the cat like a little bit of a back. And right here, I'm going to do the cat's tail. So it's just curving on up, so it's showing out through the box. And now behind that tail, we got a bit of that box. Okay. And right here on the side, and do a little line like that because that's the other part of the box. And now right here between those two flaps, we're going to draw downward. And I'm going to give it a little bit more depth. And right here, I'm going to draw up this way and draw down. And now over here, I'm going to draw up this way and down. Okay, so now we got a cat in a box. I think it turned out pretty cute, but we got to add some color. Before I add color, I'm going to go over all the outside parts here with a black Sharpie marker just to thicken up the lines a bit and make it kind of pop off the page a little bit. Then I'm going to color in my picture, and then I might add a little bit of color to the background too. Alright, so we are done our picture of the cat in the box. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you have a really good day, and I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodles. Alright everyone, bye!